nation. Realizing he was a need-line prophet for the nation.